Yes.
So the drug is located here. But to see it better, which some people claim it as two-dimensional view, and for this you need to click hide receptor. Then you can see exactly all the binding sites. Can you see here?
Yes. It's
Then
visible.
you need to take a screenshot of this structure, okay? And the screenshot of this one also with these values. And this BNI score is always in kilocalorie per
Dalton.
mole per
Okay.
kilocalorie per mole. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
So to collect all the informations in a better representative way, which you need to see how to present in a PPT. Okay.
Okay.
So this was the purpose to show you. For example, currently you saw for this drug that was curcumin. Now you can also change the drug, remove this drug, okay,
Yeah.
and upload another file that is not curcumin but resveratrol, and again perform it. You will see quite changes. It will, maybe there is big change, maybe there is no change, but they are different in terms of a structure, in terms of molecular composition, these drugs. So definitely there will be big changes. They are not similar to each other. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Curcumin is mostly present in, what should I say, turmeric. Okay. And
Okay.
you are familiar that the people sometimes when they are having some cold fever, they use this turmeric with milk and then they say, okay, we got relieved. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And similarly, resveratrol has such antiviral activity known. Here again, it is minus 6.2. Okay.
Yeah.
You can see here. Now we can use another kind of drug, and that drug is quite different. First one is the now it is diosmine. We can check it. Okay. So
Yeah.
it is also possible that none of the drug is showing better than these results. But sometimes we also get like -8, -9, -10, these binding affinities. Okay.
So, is there any standard like
Yeah,
which
anything less than -5 is considered as binding
go?
affinity is good.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So you can see it is loading. Let's see how much time. Not loading, it is performing the docking.
Yeah.
Yes. So it will take hardly few hours to generate all the combination results for all the proteins and prepare the PPT. So maximum 1 day is sufficient for you to carry out all these works if you will try with honesty on your own.
Yeah.
Because yeah, like if I am showing you for these three drugs in just 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or let's say half an hour, then it means you can do it in 1 day maximum to have a PPT, everything on your own. But please
Yes.
try to have the quality. Okay.
Yeah.
Quality of the figure, quality of the table, everything, try to manage it. And in parallel, try to continue with writing the manuscript materials and methods. And also, if possible, you can also write in parallel the results.
Okay.
Do you agree with my suggestion?
Approach. Yes. I'm.
Yes, because then it will basically help you to learn in parallel and quickly.
Yes, it is.
Yes. So this is now progressing. Let's see why it is taking more time. I have no idea. Maybe that diosmine has quite a bigger structure with respect to these two drugs. So that is why it may take some more time.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when I will take like a snap, like I mean like screenshot, should I take like a without like 2D structure or as you showed? Which
And
one should I take?
this one, which I have shown you here, this one.
Yeah. Okay.
And try to take the screenshot when everything is properly visible. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You can also enlarge this thing. So there is
Okay.
also possibility to enlarge it. And
So.
also take this value, make an Excel sheet table
Mhm.
of
Mhm.
these values for everything. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. And also, please don't forget to select the cavity. This you
Okay.
need to click on this one, which has
Mhm.
better values. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Do not forget these things. Here also, it is like selected already minus
Mhm.
6.2. So when it is selected, it is okay. And when it is wrongly selected, sometimes it could also show you
Mhm.
the lower values selection,
Mhm.
or
Mhm.
those values which is not which are not favorable. They also
Mhm.
select them. Okay.
Yeah.
So should be careful that which one they are selecting. So it is done now. Let's see how much values they are displaying. Exactly. It is
It's a good one. Yeah.
9. Okay. And if you will compare or analyze the binding sites, you will find they are binding in different cavities, which you can see here.
Yeah.
And then again, hide the receptors. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you can see this is basically your drug. And these are the amino acid binding sites. This ball and a stick thing, what you see here, it is drug. Okay.
Yeah.
And these are the protein binding sites. And this is basically amino acid serial number. For
Mhm.
example, P78, that means proline located at 78th position.
Okay.
So this is what it means. So everything should be clear. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is what I wanted to show you for today.
Yeah.
Uh, this